Hello, and welcome to ASSP's Get to Know a Safety Pro Show, where we have fun and are done with our Q&A run in just 2 minutes. I'm Blaine Croggy. Today's segment features Jonathan Zimmerman, administrator of our manufacturing practice specialty, who has been an ASSP member since 2011. Thanks for being here, Jonathan.
Great to be with you, Blaine.
Let's jump right into our rapid fire questions. Given you're in Ohio, what's the one thing a visitor should be sure to do there?
If I live in Cincinnati, I'm going to the Cincinnati Zoo. Cleveland's a Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, and you can't miss a Buckeyes game.
Awesome. What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is running. Just ran a half marathon last weekend in Florence, Kentucky for the veterans.
Wow. Number of PDCs you've attended?
10 in total.
One living person you'd love to meet?
I'd love to meet Mike Rowe. I just really love his foundation, Mike Rowe Works, and what he does for the workers.
Worst job you've ever had?
Washing dishes in the cafeteria at the University of Findlay to get through college.
Favorite vacation spot?
Beaufort, South Carolina, the beach.
A book you'd recommend?
The book I'd recommend is the Bible, because most leadership lessons you hear, you can find in that good book somewhere.
Favorite snack?
Lay's dill pickle potato chips.
Best movie ever?
Remember the Titans.
Good one. Favorite U.S. city?
Well, I've lived in Cincinnati or around it for pretty much my whole life, but without Cincinnati, I'd go with Kansas City.
Best invention ever?
I'd say the light bulb. I'm going to get ready to put up thousands of them for my Christmas decorations outside here this next week.
Favorite season of the year?
Fall, winter, because it's cooler and it's a lot better to run when it's cold and not warm.
That's for sure. And lastly, if you weren't a safety professional, Jonathan, what would you be?
Either a pastor or a teacher. I do a little bit of both already, but that would be what I would be.
Great. Well, that's a wrap. Thanks again for being here, Jonathan, and thanks to all of you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for a new segment of the Get to Know a Safety Pro Show every 2 weeks. See you next time.